Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Virtue Utu, and on this channel I share videos of food, cakes, business, a little bit of lifestyle vlogs. If you're just stopping by for the first time, kindly subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button so that when I post new videos, you'll be informed. I'm excited because my son is going to be 2 years on Sunday, and I will be packing his party packs today for school. He'll be celebrating today in school, and there are about 12 children in the class. I'll just arrange the party packs, and I would want you to come along with me. So if you're thinking of party pack ideas, keep watching this video. It's just a little party pack. I would also be dropping a contact number in case you need party packs for your children, parties and birthdays. If you need toys and different children gifts, then I'll be dropping the phone number in the description box below. I also baked 2 cakes for him, but unfortunately I couldn't film the cake decorating process. So because of time factor, actually I couldn't film, but I have a lot of cake decorating videos on this channel. Just visit the cake playlist and you would also be able to watch them. I will also be showing you the cakes in case you also want cake ideas for your children. If you want gifts, toys for your children parties, then I'll be dropping the phone contact in the description box below. Come along with me as I arrange the party packs. He had 2 cakes. I made him his favorite cartoon characters, the Mickey Mouse and the Bluey cartoon character. I love the burst of colors actually. Children cakes are always so colorful, right? For the party packs, we had this beautiful pencil set that had a ruler, sharpener, eraser, and pencil. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.